In recent years, the demand for mobile ham radios has surged as more enthusiasts, off-roaders, and emergency responders seek reliable, long-range communication. These devices offer powerful performance, flexibility, and connectivity in areas where cell networks fail. In this guide,
List number 1. Retevis RT95 Mobile Ham Radio. The Retevis RT95 Mobile Ham Radio is a compact yet high-performance unit ideal for both beginners and experienced operators. It supports dual-band VHF and UHF frequencies, 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 480 MHz, ensuring clear and consistent communication over long distances. With its 200-channel memory and dual display, users can easily monitor two frequencies simultaneously, an essential feature for emergency and off-road use. One of the standout aspects of the RT95 is its intuitive interface. The large LCD screen provides adjustable background colors, making it easy to read in bright sunlight or at night. Its compact design allows it to fit conveniently into smaller vehicles without sacrificing performance. With up to 50 watts of output power, it delivers a strong signal even in remote areas. The RT95 also includes CTCSS and DCS tone support, helping filter out unwanted transmissions and interference. Users appreciate its programmable functions and PC compatibility, making customization simple. Overall, the RT95 balances affordability, durability, and performance, making it one of the most versatile mobile ham radios available.
List number 2. Anytone AT778 UVI Transceiver Mobile Radio. The Anytone AT778 UVI dual-band mobile radio is a feature-rich transceiver designed for serious ham radio operators who value flexibility and control. Offering dual-band support, VHF and UHF, and a robust 25-watt output, it ensures clear voice transmission and long-distance coverage even in challenging terrains. Its compact and solid construction makes it ideal for installation in vehicles with limited space. The full-color LCD screen enhances readability and user experience, providing frequency information, channel names, and signal strength at a glance. Operators can program multiple channels and access various functions through the front panel or via PC software for deeper customization. A highlight of the AT778 UVI is its impressive audio quality and stability even under heavy signal conditions. It features dual standby mode, allowing simultaneous monitoring of two frequencies, great for multi-channel coordination. Users also appreciate the heat-dissipating metal chassis, which maintains cool performance during prolonged use. With its excellent build, intuitive controls, and reliable signal transmission, the Anytone AT778 UVI stands out as an ideal mid-range mobile ham radio for everyday and professional communication needs.
list number 3. Baofeng AR5RM 10-watt handheld long-range ham radio. The Baofeng AR5RM is a handheld ham radio powerhouse that punches above its weight with a 10-watt transmission capacity and extended range performance. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and ham operators, this dual-band radio supports both VHF 136 to 174 MHz and UHF 400 to 520 MHz frequencies, ensuring dependable communication across diverse environments. Its rugged and ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand while withstanding tough outdoor use. The bright LCD screen displays channel information clearly, and the keypad layout makes on-the-go operation simple. Despite being handheld, the AR5RM offers functions often reserved for mobile units, such as channel scanning, dual watch, and VOX hands-free communication. What sets this Baofeng apart is its long battery life and ability to connect to external antennas for boosted range. The included accessories, high-gain antenna, charger, and belt clip enhance usability in the field. Users love its portability, strong signal clarity, and affordability.
List number 4. VHF Mobile Radio AT588 Max with 70W high power output. For those seeking top-tier power and clarity,
The VHF mobile radio AT588 Max is a beast in mobile communication. Delivering an impressive 70 watts of output power, this single-band radio provides extended transmission range and superior audio quality, ideal for long-distance and emergency communication scenarios. The AT588 Max is built with a robust aluminum alloy shell, ensuring durability and excellent heat dissipation during continuous operation. The large backlit LCD display is highly legible and customizable, providing users with key information like frequency, signal strength, and voltage monitoring. One of its key strengths lies in noise suppression and signal clarity, thanks to advanced DSP technology that filters unwanted background noise. The radio also supports multiple programmable memory channels, allowing quick access to your preferred frequencies. Despite its high power, the AT588 Max maintains efficient temperature control, preventing overheating even in prolonged use. Whether you're using it for off-road travel, rural communication, or as a base station, this model guarantees unmatched reliability and transmission power.
List number 5. Anytone AT588 Max 70-watt VHF mobile ham radio. The Anytone AT588 Max is a professional-grade VHF mobile ham radio that combines high output power with refined design and user-friendly operation. Boasting 70 watts of transmission power, it's engineered to deliver long-distance communication with exceptional audio fidelity, ideal for truckers, emergency responders, and serious radio hobbyists. Built with a heavy-duty metal chassis, this radio offers excellent heat dissipation and longevity. The large, easy-to-read LCD display provides a clear view of frequency, signal status, and channel names. Its customizable channel memory system supports multiple configurations for fast switching and efficient operation. Users especially appreciate the AT588 Max's crystal-clear audio output and advanced noise reduction features, ensuring stable communication in noisy environments. It also supports multiple tone modes and CTCSS and DCS for secure channel management.